Hi guys, welcome to the video today. Hopefully you're having a great day. So this video is about magnification callout. And what is it? So when you're doing a video on the internet, when you're doing like tutorial videos and stuff like that, and you're going through menus and stuff like that, you want to zoom in on those menus so people know where you're highlighting on screen. So there is a few things that you'll need to do this. I will leave a link in the description where you can get these PNG shape files. Okay, so it depends where what sort of shape you want to use. It's up to you. I'm going to just use the circular one. So what you want to do is you want to find a bit in your video where you're going into menus, like just here. There we go. So I'm in a menu. Okay, so there's a good point there where I'm highlighting a certain section that might be grayed out for some reason. So I'm going to basically snip that there, and I'm going to basically pull it to the end where I go off of that menu, okay, which is there. It's not a very big section, and I snip that there. I'm going to go back to the arrow key, which is right there, and then I'm going to press an old Alt and drag that up. Okay, so now what you want to do is drag that up once more, drag in the shape you want, make sure it's aligned so it's exactly the same. And what you want to do on this is you want to basically call on the composite mode, which will go to your inspector. If you haven't got that open your inspector and go to composite, and then the drop down options on screen, you'll have alpha. You want to set the top, bottom one to alpha, and you'll want to set the top one to the foreground. Okay, so when I was doing this and selecting alpha and thingy, I thought it was the wrong way around, but it wasn't. It was because the box in question was as it was, and obviously you can't see the circle within there. If I just disable the main track, you can see that the circle is actually working as it's meant to. So to change this and get into focus on thingy, what you want to do is you want to go to your drop down box on the side here, and I am in the edit screen, so make sure you're not in the cut screen. So go to your drop box and select transform. Now when you select transform, make sure you're selected on the top video, which is the selection from below, the bottom. And then basically what you want to do is you want to obviously zoom in to the point where you want to highlight, which is, I'm going to say it's this box here. So I'm going to basically zoom out a little bit so I can just get the entire box on screen like so. So I've got Fusion memory cache and the on off on auto. Okay, so now I've got that selected. Obviously I can't change this big box shape on top. What do? Highlight both the clips, right click, and create a new compound clip. So I'll do that again. So right click, go to new compound clip, click the compound clip, call it what you want to call it, and click create. That will basically cut that off where it is, and you can basically adjust this to how you want it. So you want to put it over the current box, like so. Okay, now to give it a bit more of a depth of field, what you want to do is you want to make sure you're selected on the compound clip, go into Fusion, highlight the blue line, press control space. Then what you want to do is you want to try drop and select drop shadow and click add. That will give it a little bit of a pop on the screen, so it looks like it's popping out at you. So that will look like something like like this. So it's like calling out and basically showing people where you're pointing to. Okay guys, so that's the video for now. I am going to add one more thing into this. Now obviously if you've looked at this, it's a little bit blurry, right? So what you can do is extra. Let's go back into Fusion, press Control space and type in sharp, A-R-P, sharp. And what you want to do is you want to sharpen and soften. Click add. Make sure you're selected on that item. And you can basically just change it so as it's a little bit more pleasing to the eye, because it's not really too blunt. And you can just adjust it like that, so it's a bit more sharper. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll put the link in the description for these free PNG shape files. You can also use these for webcams. So if you've got a webcam on there, exactly the same method. You highlight the webcam, you put the webcam in and stretch it out as much as you want it to be, and that will basically make like a little box for your camera. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks very much for tuning in. Bye for now.